Go to create a sketch, select the top plane, select a circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle here with 80 millimeters of distance, and create another one with 50 millimeters of diameter. Okay. Finish the sketch, go to extrude, select this profile here, extrude this 120 millimeters, operation new body, press OK. Now go to modify, select chamfer, click here in this edge, the chamfer here is 5 millimeters, equal distance, okay, the type, press OK, we have this. Now go to create a sketch, select the front plane here, select the circle, make a circle here with 60 millimeters of diameter. Okay, let me hide this body here. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between the circle and the midpoint here is 50 millimeters. Go to constraint, horizontal, vertical, click here in this point and the midpoint here. We have this, okay. Select line, make a line here. Make this sketch here, okay. This line must be tangent with this circle. Go to sketch dimension, here is 60 millimeters. Okay. Go to constraint, select horizontal, vertical, click in this point and this point here. And finish the sketch. Show this body here. We have this, okay. Go to extrude, select this profile here. The start, the object, select this body here. The distance here is 100 millimeters, minus 100 millimeters. Operation join, press OK. We have this, okay. Now go to modify, select fillet, select this edge here. The fillet here is 10 millimeters and press OK. Let me change the visual here. Okay, we have a fillet here. Now go to create again, select the front plane, select the circle, make a circle here with 32 millimeters of diameter. Okay, go to sketch dimension, the distance between the circle and the midpoint here is 50 millimeters. Go to constraint, select horizontal, vertical, select this point here and the midpoint. Okay, finish the sketch, go to extrude, make a cut here, operation cut, distance can be all, press OK. We have this, okay. Now go to create a sketch and select the right plane here, select the circle, make a circle here with 50 millimeters of distance of the midpoint here, sorry. Make a circle here with 12 millimeters. Okay. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between this circle here and the midpoint is 110 millimeters. Okay. And the distance here is 50 millimeters. Okay, finish the sketch. Go to extrude, extrude this to this side here. The operation will be cut, press OK. We have this. Now to finish this, go to modify, select chamfer, select this edge. The chamfer here is 2.5 millimeters and press OK. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and bye bye.